Today I'm going to show you the garter stitch. In doing the garter stitch, you would knit 1 row of knits and 1 row of purls. And when you're working a scarf, you would just knit the front, and when you turn it over, you would knit the back, because those knits would look like purls on the other side. If you were knitting in the round, you would knit 1 row of knits and 1 row of purls as you go. And the thicker the yarn, the cushier it feels and the heavier your fabric will be. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in a finished product. This hat is called the Twisted Garter. It is one of my patterns, and you will see the link in the description below. Just a couple more examples of the garter stitch. This is a shawl that I made. It's actually worsted weight, but it's held with 2 strands, so it creates a little more bulky feel to it. It's very squishy and soft, and that's just what the garter stitch can do for your fabric. Another one, this one's done in just 1 strand, but chunky, and just back and forth. Knit one side, knit the other side, and that's what it looks like when you're done. If you like this tutorial, check out my other videos on my channel. Links to the items in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.